Says out we have Tabel, pass to begin, Armory moving a party outside, some like it hot, then followed by Stay at Home Potpot Slab Mobile, and Galing Galing is the early trailer. We have Armory, the leader, Viola Lane, Grimy and in second is like it hot, Galing Galing now moving up to take third, Donnery inside Portabel, then comes Mobile, Stay at Home Mama, and Potpot Slab is racing in last, Armory by about 3 for Balenga, like it on is already outside pressing up, 2 lengths away in third, Mobile, Galing Galing comes next, is Stay at Home Mom Tabella, and Potpot Slab, but it's still Armory moving up, some like it had already outside, Mobile is racing in third, then comes Galing Galing, is Stay at Home Mama, Tabel and Potpot Slab, Armory moving up, some like it had fighting it out for the lead, Armory and some like it had matching their strides together, racing in third position is Mobile, then followed by number 2 Galing Galing, Potpot Slab, Armory moving up on the outside, now is some like it had, some like it had is on the outside, Armory is running by the Armory, some like it had is on the outside, it's now some like it had, followed by Armory, Potpot Slab is racing in third, entering the finish line, it's some like it hot, Armory, Potpot Slab, then comes Tabel, Mobile.
So it was 6-5-3-4, some like it hot din yung ating unofficial winner dyan. At ito po yung ating Lamados.